Hi, this is Laura and Jared at Altroni Ford in Granville, Illinois on this beautiful sunny day. We're going to show you how to get the keypad code on your brand new 2024 F150 because they don't send the card anymore. So we would like to show you how.
Okay, the first step is to remove the cup holder cover.
Have both keys.
And both keys. All right, put the first key in. Turn the accessory on. All right, turn accessory off. Take the first key out. Put the second key in. Turn accessory on. And the code should pop up here. There's the keypad code.
There it is. And there you go.
There.
And then go ahead and turn it on. We'll show them how you can change your keypad code.
Okay. Oh, start it up here.
And it's in settings here. Vehicle. So settings, vehicle. And all the way at the bottom, there's your keypad code. So you put your original keypad in there, and then you add whatever one you want, and as many as you want. And that's as simple as that. Thank you, and have a great day.